Welcome to Saw Masters, where every sharp blade tells a story of strength, ingenuity and creativity. This is the world of those who turn wood into masterpieces. With its durable design, the 1910G series boasts an impressive load capacity, allowing it to carry heavy timber loads with ease. It features John Deere's innovative HeavyMachinery control system, which provides precise handling and intuitive operation. The machine is also fitted with adaptive driveline control, ensuring smooth and efficient power transmission, even in rugged terrain. The John Deere 1910G series is a powerhouse in the world of forestry, designed to maximize efficiency and performance in the most challenging environments. This advanced forwarder is equipped with cutting-edge technology and engineering, making it a top choice for professionals in timber harvesting operations. The 1910G series is also designed for comfort, with a spacious, ergonomic cabin with excellent visibility, making it easier for the operator to work for long periods of time.
Each ray of sawdust flies up, sparkling like stardust, telling the story of the rainy and sunny seasons that the tree has experienced. The tree began to lean, each creaking sound like a final greeting to the sky.
Next, let's see how a logger with 10 years of experience cuts trees. Felling trees on a slope is a challenging task that requires careful planning, safety precautions, and specialized techniques due to the uneven terrain and the risks of instability, sliding, and falling debris. Here's a detailed description of the process. Once the tree hits the ground, it may continue to slide down the slope, especially if the ground is loose or the terrain is very steep. The logger needs to stay alert and clear of the potential path of the moving tree.
Branches fell, creating a gentle sound, like the footsteps of history were gradually receding. The worker put down the chainsaw, his eyes flashing with pride and respect for nature.
Finally, let's follow the professional woodcutter after quickly felling a medium-sized cedar tree with the Husqvarna 572 XPG. Thank you all for watching. Logger Wade here, reminding you that logging isn't just a job, it's a way of life. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more behind the scenes content, and as always, stay safe out there in the woods. Thank you for watching Saw Masters, where art and power meet. See you in the next videos, where we continue our journey to honor the masters and the best saws.